Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 GX550 Overtrail Plus, fully loaded. Has every option on it, right down to the massaging seats and the camera system that's installed for the roadway. On this one, it came with the black optional roof. There's a video before this, but we kept adding to it, so this is the final. This is where it's gonna stay. Fully wrapped Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion, the ceramic, and then we put the Ultimate Plus Black on the hood, on the top of this fender, and seamed it. It's perfectly smooth. They meet up perfect, no gap. There's no gap in that. Sorry about my fingers. So we added this black, this A-pillar was all atomic silver with this. That's black. The roof is black paint covered in clear. We also came back here. I'm gonna plan out here. We did this back tailgate. We did this, we wrapped that. That's black plastic. We took the Lexus off in the GX550. This is wrapped in clear. This is wrapped. This is an atomic silver piece wrapped in black. That's an atomic silver piece wrapped in the gloss black Ultimate Plus. So there it is right there. Now, there's been a lot of speculation on what to do. You know, you could do this to come in with the black light trim, do this in black as well, and maybe the bumper. You could do anything. There was some ideas about coming around this body line with black, following along this all the way down to where we terminated this. We can do that too, but this is the way this one's gonna stay. You can create your own with the black to come off of that black roof. That black roof is really nice. And if you get one that's a solid color, you can change that roof to whatever color you want and add the accents. But the black goes with all the colors they make. This one will definitely be known as whoever drives this one. But the black tailgate looks really nice the way it is. You don't have to go off and do a bunch of things. And there it is. So GX550, let me just show you a couple quick pieces here. We showed it previous, how we wrap everything in with no lines. No lines, no lines. Everything's wrapped in. Everything is perfect. This piece comes off real simple. Everything tucks in under the seals. Coming in the door. Sorry about the lighting reflection. No problems. Everything looks great. That's the way I do it. We want to make sure that all the lines are hidden. These guys pop back real easy so we can get under there. There's no line here. Everything's in the motor bay here. Everything runs under the light here. Looks perfect. So there it is. If you have any questions, you can reach me direct, 214-414-3809. If I don't answer, I'm Brent. Please leave a message. You can text there as well. A cell phone that you can reach directly with a text or call me. It's 940-703-8301. And we can talk about your GX550, but excellent vehicle. This is the refresh, the new body from the GX460. And you can see a lot of pieces coming into play from the history of the Toyota Motor Company and their 4x4 utility vehicles. So there it is. There's the idea of someone who decided to carry on the black, and it looks great. I give them an A+ on that. A lot of people have written and love it and want to do it on theirs, and there it is. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys following us, like us, follow us, and any ideas, let us know. But those are some of the other ideas we could do on this vehicle as well. So take care. Have a great Memorial Day weekend 2024.